In this guide, we will be learning about concrete pumping. Concrete pumping. It is the most versatile method of concrete placement. Concrete pumps. Pumps are of two types, trailer-mounted or boom trucks. Trailer-mounted pump requires steel or flexible pipeline to be manually attached to the outlet of the machine. Boom truck's concrete pump has pump attached on the truck. It uses a remote control articulating robotic arm, called a boom, which is connected to the pump, to place concrete accurately at the location. Usually, piston-style pumps are used, because they can produce hundreds of atmospheres of pressure to push concrete mixes. The most common pipeline diameter is 125 mm. The pumping is performed by hydraulically operated systems, with pressure up to 200 bars. The pump's output ranges from 20 to 75 cubic meter per hour. Concrete pumps parts. Valves. Different valve arrangement ensures proper flow of concrete by the piston. The different types of valve system are rope valve, C-valve, flat gate valve and S-trunk system. The valves are lined with wear-resistant metal, to make it tough and protect against adverse usage. Rams are of special vulcanized rubber lined with steel core. How concrete moves. When concrete is pumped, the pump line walls are lubricated by a layer of water, cement and sand. Ensure design of concrete mix is performed considering pumping. There should be enough workability, fine aggregate mix, and cementations material, so that the mix is easily pumpable. The slump should be above 120. There are mixes that do not pump at all or cause the pump lines to clog. This can cause big problems if you have trucks lined up, ready to discharge concrete. Consideration before pumping operation. Ensure consistent quality of concrete, to prevent any blockages. Concrete mixture should be properly mixed, cohesive, with appropriate slump, and with adequate consistency. The handling of pipeline, flexible hoses, and compaction of concrete can take considerable time, and not much with the placing rate. Formwork should be able to take on the hydrostatic pressure due to larger placement, in a short time. The transit mixer rig size should be able to adequately meet the placing rate. Consideration while placing concrete. Ensure it is deposited as close to the final placement position as possible. Place in layers to prevent segregation. Should not be spread by use of vibrators. Ensure compaction in proper manner. Avoid joint formations. Use chemicals where it is unavoidable. In case of large heights, pause. Ensure rate lower than 2 meters per hour. Factor to account before setting pipeline. A number of other factors must be taken into account when determining line pressure, including the vertical rise, the number and severity of bends, line length, horizontal and vertical distances. Average time spent during pumping operations. Graph shows the total time spent during concrete pumping process. Pressure required by concrete pump. Calculation of pressure in concrete pipeline can be estimated using the following guidelines. Pipeline. Pipe sections are made of special quality steel which is quenched and carried out carbonizing chemical treatment on the inner wall. The concrete pump straight pipe is made of special alloy steel.